to this edition of our tutorial video. My name is Ade Oladeus, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a minimum of 1,500 naira per day just by engaging in simple social media tasks such as liking, commenting and following using this particular website I'm about to show you, and it's showing on your screen right now. Okay, now all I just want to do, maybe you are just being idle, you are not doing anything, maybe you are not doing anything, or you have something you are doing but you just want to earn 1,500 naira minimum on a daily basis. You can actually sign up with this particular website that is displaying on your screen, and then check out the means of registering and little things that you are going to be doing on this website, right? So watch this video from the beginning to the end, and if you are just checking and if you are just visiting my YouTube channel for the very first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos on what you can do from the comfort of your home to make money online. I've had so many trainings on graphics, on web designing, on digital marketing, on AI and many other things as the case may be that can actually help you to earn money online. So you are welcome to this particular video, and I want you to please like this video and please share with your friends so that you can also make money with it. Alright, all you have to do now is to click on sign up. I'll click on sign up and then I'll enter this email address. So after you have registered your information, you'll be asked to verify your email. Okay, so a verification code will be sent to your email address, so you have to check the verification code that will be sent to your email address. Alright, so the verification code has been sent to my email, so I'll just copy this email, this verification code, and then I'll paste it here. So my dashboard will be displayed right now. Alright guys, so this is our dashboard. Is displaying right now. As you can see, it is displaying right now. So alright, so this is our dashboard. You can see this is our dashboard, and these are the tasks I have to do in order to earn. They said follow profile TikTok 4 naira, sign up on website 12 naira, like post on Facebook 4 naira, Instagram 4 naira, comment on a reel 4 naira, and so on and so forth. Now if you do all these tasks, you can see there are about 14 tasks for me to do. If you do all these tasks on a daily basis, you have something that you are going to earn. But let me walk you through on how you can set up your account fully. So this is your dashboard, you understand. So if you want to engage, you can actually use this to this particular website to earn something on a daily basis for yourself. So I'll go to accounts. You can see it now. So it says basic account information. You're going to add your full name, which I've done before, state and my email address, the social media account I'm using, and my withdrawal, edit withdrawal account. So if I click on this edit info here, you can see bank name. So I'll select my bank name. I'll select this, my bank name, and then I'll enter this. So I'll click on this. Okay, so if you have to edit your social media account, I can just click on this. So this is Facebook. You can use WhatsApp anyway, or let me say Facebook will be better. And then you enter your username on Facebook. How do you get your username on Facebook? I'm going to show you that. So I want to go to my facebook.com. and then I'll go to the Ade Oladeus. That's my name on Facebook. Also add me up on Facebook. Okay, so this is my username on Facebook. This is my username on Facebook, the Ade Oladeus. So I'll just copy it, Ctrl C, and then I'll go back to this particular site and paste my username there and click on save. Can you see it now? So security, change your password. If you want to change your password, you can change your password. Okay, so I've added my withdrawal account. Okay, you can see that now, and you can see the full name. My full name is there already, so I'll close it. And then you can also earn money by, okay, how do you withdraw it? So you go to withdraw. You can see it now, withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account. So you can withdraw your money. Can you see it now, withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account? So you just click on withdraw. So once the money starts appearing here, you just you click on withdraw and the money lands on your account. So this is just how you can make money with this website that in the description. So this is how to make money from this website. Now the name of the website has been added to the link on the description of this video. Please click, just scroll down, check the description part of this video, and then you see how you can register on this website and you start making money for yourself. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.